Hello guys, if you ever wanted to start an online business without holding any inventory, then dropshipping might be exactly what you're looking for. In this tutorial we'll go over what dropshipping is, how it works, and where you can start your own dropshipping store today. So let me firstly tell you what it is. So dropshipping is a retail business model where you sell products online, but you don't handle any stock yourself. Instead, when someone buys from your store, you purchase the item from a supplier, and that supplier ships it directly to your customer. So this means you never have to worry about packaging, storing, or shipping the product. Your job is to create and market your store, while the supplier handles the logistics. So here's a simple example. Let's say you set up a store selling phone accessories. You find a supplier offering phone cases for $5 each. You list those same cases on your store for $15. When a customer buys one, you pay the supplier $5, they ship it to your buyer, and you keep the $10 profit. You never touch the product, the supplier does all the fulfillment behind the scenes. And if you're looking to start, one of the easiest ways to do that is with Shopify. It lets you build your online store without coding, connect to dropshipping suppliers through apps like DSAS or ZenDrop, and start selling within hours. You can browse products, import them to your store, set your prices, and start marketing. Another good option is AliExpress, which works well for testing new products before committing to long-term supplies. And in terms of some tips for beginners, focus on finding products that solve real problems or have strong demand. Make sure to choose reliable suppliers with fast shipping and good reviews. And remember, dropshipping isn't about finding one magic product. It's about testing, learning, and improving your marketing strategy over time. So this is a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. You can launch a store, experience with different products, and grow without the hassle of managing inventory. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. This is your beginner guide. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out more tutorials on building your online business on our channel.